Hey, what's up, this is Mark Ferguson. I'm back with another video, and this is gonna be a unboxing of my new Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. This is a brand new smartphone that I have ordered online. Um, the reason why I ordered a new smartphone because basically it was on time for an upgrade, because last week my old smartphone, it was acting up on me, um um because my old smartphone, I've been using this smartphone for three years. Yes. Because let's see, you see this part right here, let's see, but see, this is my old smartphone right here, my old Android LG smartphone. um and because you probably see this part where my thumb is pointing at. um See that part right there, it's not supposed to be there. So that's what's messed up about this phone. and and also, yeah, this phone is but busted open. um I don't know how this phone got busted open. Let's see. See, I'm doing this with one hand. Let's see. This thing is open up a little bit. Um, like I said, I been using that smartphone for 3 years. Basically I inherit that phone, because this used to be my longtime friend. His cause, this phone here, this was my longtime friend, his smartphone, until he passed away 3 years ago. And so this phone, I inherit this phone. This is phone I've used for 3 years. And so it was time for upgrade. So I'm gonna open this package up. I'm gonna open this package here, this box, and I'm gonna open this and what's inside here is accessories for his new smartphone. So I put the camera down. Okay, open sesame. Yeah, first I'm gonna take out what's inside the box here. Okay, okay, this is the new Samsung Galaxy A03s phone. See, this is on track phone here. Yeah, basically, I'm a track phone user when it comes to Android smartphones. So I put this aside, and this package from Amazon. Check out. Okay, this is for the this new Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. See, this the phone case, also the screen protector inside here, and what's in here is the power adapter. Okay, folks, okay, this is my new Samsung Galaxy smartphone here, and this is the charger. This power adapter, it was sold separately, so I ordered the power adapter off on Amazon. This cord charger, it came with this Samsung Galaxy smartphone. It was inside of this box. And so this the Samsung Galaxy the phone case for this new smartphone, and there's a phone case, also a screen protector, or screen protector. I don't know, it's one or two. I'm not sure. And it's my old phone right here. And so I'm about to end this video. So I'm gonna take everything upstairs. And so, but this box here, I'm gonna get rid of it, and also this package from Amazon, I'm gonna get rid of this here. And so I'm about to go, folks, and you make sure you subscribe to me on Mark Ferguson TV, and hit notification bell, and you be notified when I upload a video. And I'll be back in the future with more videos. Okay, that's all, folks, and I'm about to go, folks, and have a nice day, and bye.